So what are we going to talk about?
Hello! How are you guys? March Larkin here, and I want to introduce some of my business partners and friends. Jessine Paras. Say hello. Hello.
She's shy. Late feedback. Sorry, guys.
And Celeste Samonte.
Hello, everyone.
Kita ba tayo? Parang labo eh. But anyway. So we are here. This is the Residential Treatment Center. We are opening sometime in early next year, but we're in the process of doing all the licensing and all renovations and all. Yeah. So yeah, pag-usapan lang natin.
So, what made you guys go into the RTC space personally?
Oh, sa akin personally, well, first and foremost, I met you. Owners Club, I met these people, and because of you, Jessine introduced us to Jason. Jason Santos is in Murrieta, California. He opened one there, and we had a Zoom call, and he introduced the concept and the business to us, and we're like, oh, some of us are already doing assisted living and veteran homes and co-living spaces. It's like, we looked it up, and there's really a need. So Jessine is here in Las Vegas, and there's, this is the Sin City. It's a lot of alcohol and drugs, and so there's a big need here. So she's like, you know what, I want to do this. She's a nurse as well, and she works for a big healthcare company. And so I'd like to serve, the community. And the same with me, you know what, sabi ko nga sa kanila, I was an overcomer. I'm an overcomer of domestic abuse. Pero because ang talagang reason is addiction. My ex-husband had an addiction. Oh, he still has addiction.
Oh,
he needs to be here. So, kaya kung nakikinig ka man dyan, ex-husband ko, if you're listening to me,
Tagalog ba? Dapat English.
If you're listening to me, my ex-husband,
Are you gonna sponsor his treatment though?
You know what? I was so angry at him, but in the end of it all, he's also a child of God. I pray for him. People will not think, after everything he's done, I pray for him. I don't want I don't want darkness to just swallow him totally. He needs the grace of God, but he's not a Christian. So sabi ko nga, wow, what a full turn, right? I am now opening with you guys a residential treatment center, addiction center for people like him. So really, addiction can really ruin people's lives. It almost killed us. And if we can open one, it's investing. We are investors, but we're also serving the community. It's investing with a purpose.
Yes.
So, ito naman talaga.
What about you?
So,